Hoy! Andyan ka pala! Andito na naman ako and look! So yes, I forgot that I ordered these plants. So yeah, and I just got back home. I recorded another video for you guys. So we shall see which one comes first. But I think that one's gonna come first. So this is what I got home to after doing that video for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So there's 3 of them. OMG. So this is from Anna Renee Hormone. She remember that Christmas Hoya thingy that I did with my fairy godmother video. And then this is from Rebecca Sagalin. I did get my Hoya Bulusan from her. And then this is from Min Nguyen, one of my favorite Hoya enablers, no? Hoya collectors from Florida. So some of these people, you might be hearing their names a lot from me now if you've been watching my videos. And if you haven't, go on and binge watch some of the videos that I have. Because yeah, why not? You get to know me as you go watch the video. And here we go. What's this? Huh? There's a note here, but I don't know. But here we go. Here's the first box. Popcorn. Jill's asleep with Sean. Sean is my husband. And oops. Oh, yes. It says here the name of the Hoya. Oh, and this is the first purple, what do you call this? Plant tag that I ever got in. Hoya. The Hoya is always on my mind, as you can tell by now. Thank you, it says there. No, thank you. Thank you for growing all of these Hoyas for all of us. Oh, what's that? And let me show you guys. Let me share to you what I got this time from Anna Renee. And this is the variegated Hoya Acuta variegated. I do have the, what do I have? Oh, now I'm confused if it's the verticillata. Anyways, I got this one because I don't have it yet, I think. And look at the venation and the variegation. Like, come on, right? And yes, this one I particularly bought this because I do have, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I thought it was an Incorsata. Because yeah, anyways, never mind. But I still don't have this one yet. Hoya Acuta variegated. So yes, thank you, Anna Renee. Here's one. I'm gonna put you down there. Oh, are you okay there, Miss Acuta? So that's our first box. Let me clean up a little. Because you know, if you have a toddler, yeah, they put everything in their mouth. Well, at least my daughter does. And then we're gonna go to Rebecca Sagalin's box next. I forgot which one I bought from her. Yeah, do you guys do that? Like, you buy Hoyas, especially if it's a purge, and you were just on adrenaline high. So you like sold on everything. And then when the package arrives, you like, which Hoyas did I buy again? Which plants? So, look, paper. I like this. Ooh, how did I buy from her? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making this a newspaper. Wall newspaper. Always check if there's like some lingering plants in there. So apparently there's 5 of them. So I forgot. Sorry, memory. And I know. Oi, what are you, babe? Oh no, there's no name. I don't know which one this is. But yes. OMG. It doesn't have a name. So I don't know which one this one is. I'm gonna look it up as always, and then I'll just type it down below. Oh, let's do that. So this is the name of this Hoya. Look at that. And the new growth. Okay, be safe there, friend. And then another one. Oh, I guess this is from a purge. This is from the purge that I won. Yeah, because they're babies. And during that time, I guess everyone was making dinner in the East Coast, and here in the West Coast, I don't know what people were doing around that time, but they're not online, so I get to win some Hoyas from the purges. Okay, another one that I have no clue what it is, but look at that. So pretty. Alright, let's do the baby ones. And then this guy. Oh, come in. I totally forgot about this one, but yeah, they don't have a name, so I'm gonna just look it up like in the. What are you? I seriously don't know what I want. Ooh, I think this one, I know this one. It's the Namoloroides. OMG. Yeah, I think this is that one. I'll type the name here, but I've heard, wow, the leaves are so like, it doesn't look fuzzy, but when you touch it, it feels fuzzy. I'm like, OMG. Yen, if you like touching leaves, I think you might have already this one. This is like touchy leaves. Yes. Okay, so there's 3 of them. And then, whoops. So it's perfect that I went all the way out to get more bowls for plants, because yeah, I forgot about this guys. That they, oh wow, which one are you, gorgeous? Finlaysonia something, but I don't know which one. So pretty. Okay, that's 4. Last one from Becky. You know, no, it's not Becky, but yeah, I remember when I was still in the Philippines, and then like our dad were like, we're finishing school. I'm like, yeah, one day when I do my naturalization, I'm gonna change my name to Betty. Seriously, I hope I know their names. I don't know their names, because I'm like, look at that. I don't even know if they're Hoya Philippines, if they're Hoyang Filipino or not, but I'm digging this lime green color, seriously. Because I'm not the pink kind of girl, though I do have pink nails. I prefer green, and this is like a beautiful green. So yes, this is the 5th one from Becky. Thank you. OMG, I wish I could win more on purges, just like what I did. And then the last box is from our dear old friend, Mr. Min Nguyen from Florida. Open. Oh, look, he's got creative. Look at this. He made this box into this size. Good job, man. So these are, oh, I can see the leaves already. Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's see. Okay, this is kind of hard. And I know there's a difference between these puffy ones, because this one's different. One is edible and the other one is not, but I'm not gonna eat it because I'm full and COVID. You just don't put anything in your mouth nowadays. No. Chicken. Okay, which one are you? I forgot. Oh, this is the Obscura, right? Wow, he packed this with lots of love and care. So this is Hoya Obscura Affinity. No, Hoya Affinity Obscura, because of the Obscuras have longer leaves, and this one has more of a paddle like leaves, but you can still see like that somewhat of a veination. I don't know, but can you tell it? But yeah, so this is Hoya. So he sold this as Hoya Obscura Philippines, so I'm like sold right away. But then again, like we were talking about, like all like Obscuras are, or Hoya Obscura is native to the Philippines, so we have just decided to call this Affinity Obscura or a Hoya that looks like an obscura. Like, yeah. So yay! Oops. Okay, there we have it. So thank you very much for watching another unboxing with me. I'm excited with all of this because seriously, I didn't expect to be doing an unboxing like today, because I'm like, I don't have no videos to do, but yes, they came. And I forgot I bought plants. Thank you very much for watching again. And yes, kita-kita tayo next time dito. And if you haven't been following us on Instagram, our handle is up here at Julius_plant_corner. Do like and subscribe. Hit that bell button so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And yes, may you always be blessed.